Hello guys, this will be our tutorial video on how to use 0gstats platform. Before we start, make sure to join 0gstats on Twitter and Discord. Alright, let's begin. OG, also known as Zero Gravity, is a first modular blockchain for AI. And 0gstats is a platform for zero gravity if you need to stake or delegate your token, check balance, and more. You can also get services like Faucet Link to get testnet token, social links, docs, and more. On the top right corner, there is a Connect wallet. You have to use Kepler wallet. Make sure to remove non-native chain from setting as shown on the screen. Once you connect, you will get your corresponding EVM wallet that can be used in your MetaMask. You can see your balance too. On the mid part, you can also check balance of any wallet. Make sure you input wallet starting with OG. And here is a button, Start Delegating. You can delegate or stake your AOGI tokens to your preferred validator. Click Start Delegation. Then a side screen appears. Select a validator from the drop down. Then you can stake your tokens. If you have staked tokens, you can unstake too from here. Now scroll down and you can see active or inactive validators. You can click Delegate to stake your tokens here as well. If you click on any validator, it opens a detail page of that validator. Detail page has all the necessary info to know about that validator. Also on the top, you can see My Portfolio, where you can manage all the tokens you have delegated to validator. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, don't forget to comment down on the video. Bye!